Do you know what to do if your sink or your dishwasher is leaking all over your floor? Hi, this is Ryan James, Liberty Adjusters. In previous views, I've talked a little bit about your duties after loss. One of those duties is to prevent additional damage from occurring. Now, in the case of a kitchen plumbing leak, you're going to have some valves underneath your sink. So your valves are located in different areas. Sometimes they're all protruding out from the wall next to each other. In this particular case, we have one coming up from the bottom. What you want to look for is where all the hoses are going in and out of. You're going to turn it to the right to turn it off. You can see this one is going through the wall to the dishwasher. We know that's going to the dishwasher. Dishwasher leaks, especially with the newer ones that have computers, sometimes they just run for no apparent reason and spew out water even after you try to turn them off. So this is where you would turn that one off. But when all else fails, just turn them all off. If once you've turned off all your valves, you continue to have a leak, you're going to want to go out to the street and turn off your water at the main line. If you have questions regarding a claim, contact Liberty Adjusters. I'll be glad to help you.